Well, the big story continues to be the novel coronavirus, or COVID-19. Let's start in Michigan, where the Associated Press reports that state officials held a late-night news conference yesterday. 10 new cases have been confirmed in the Great Lakes state, bringing the total number to 12. All of them are adults. 3 are in Kent County, 2 in Oakland County, and 2 in Washtenaw County, and 1 each from Ingham, St. Clair, and Macomb counties. Governor Gretchen Whitmer has announced the closure of all Michigan schools, both public and private, starting this upcoming Monday, March 6th until April 6th. Due to that announcement and the timing in relation to spring break, it's unclear at this point exactly when the school year will end. The Michigan legislature has approved spending of up to $25 million to combat the virus, and Whitmer has said she will sign it. Another $15 million will go towards a coronavirus response fund. Other bills have been introduced to remove the cost barriers to prevent price gouging. The state Senate has curtailed its meeting in light of the pandemic. State officials say that they have a capacity to handle the necessary testing, and there's no backlog at the state lab, and private testing facilities have recently come online with COVID-19 testing capabilities. In Ohio, the O'Brien Times says Governor Mike DeWine has issued the order closure of all schools in the state for 3 weeks beginning Monday as well. Now, the Fulton County Expositor says this follows a previous order banning all mass gatherings of 100 people or more, including auditoriums, stadiums, arenas, large conference rooms, meeting halls, cafeterias, parades, fairs, festivals, or any other confined indoor or outdoor space. Not included in the ban are transit stations, airports, medical facilities, shopping centers, or other spaces where people are in motion. The Hill says a top health official in Ohio broke down the numbers yesterday. The Department of Health Director Amy Action told the press that, given the 1% spread rate in Ohio and the state's population of 11.7 million people, that means over 100,000 people in the Buckeye State are likely infected right now. That's not a verified number, and the Action says that that's because the rollout of testing has been too slow to keep up. In Indiana, WLKI says Governor Eric Holcomb has issued a ban on gatherings of 250 people or more. Schools in the Hoosier State will now have a 20-day waiver for a 180-day class requirement, but no full closure of the school boards have been mandated at this time. The Herald Republican says the state health officials have also adjusted the algorithm for COVID-19 testing, now focused on high-risk patients, but at the same time expanding the range of people eligible for testing. Those with severe illness, health care workers, long-term care patients, and the incarcerated population will be tested. That's a shift away from only testing those who have traveled to affected areas. Higher education is also being affected. Hillsdale College has now told students who are currently on break that they should stay off campus until March 30th. If they must return to campus, they will have to follow the recommended protocols to prevent viral spread. Classes will be presented both online and in person, and the college will ship necessary books to students at home. Sporting events at Hillsdale College, however, will continue as scheduled for in-season programs. WLEN says Adrian College has canceled all face-to-face classes starting today and is going online only starting on Monday until March 30th. That follows similar announcements that were made by Siena Heights and Northwest State Community College on Wednesday. Both the Lenawee County Sheriff and the Tecumseh Police Department have suspended all voluntary fingerprinting until further notice, and the Telegram says the Lenawee County courts are allowing cases to be postponed due to the pandemic. The Maple Lawn Medical Care Facility in Coldwater has joined several others in the area in restricting visitation to family members in emergency situations. And the Michigan High School Athletic Association has indefinitely postponed all its winter postseason events, and it is unclear when those tournaments will be rescheduled. Now, we'll keep you up to date as more information becomes available later on.